Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So today's going to be a very short video. I'm going to be talking about the HGLRC FPV Freestyle competition. Everyone's allowed. You could post up to 2 videos and you could win. And this is going to be on FPV Connect, which is a social media platform just for FPV people that I have created. Now the name is going to change to FPV Link because Orca is using FPV Connect for one of their applications, and I had a talk with them. I asked them if it's true. They said yes. So I'm going to be changing. I already bought the domains, so I'll be switching that very soon. Now, the freestyle competition is just one thing that's going to happen on this platform. I'm going to be trying to do one every week. Worst case scenario, every 2 weeks we'll do one. I have Skyzone in the talks. I also have some other companies in the talks as well. So we'll be doing these little fun competitions. And if you guys have suggestions, just write me. I'm always on here and I check everything on here. So you could write me. If you have suggestions, we can go through those and make things better. Now, another thing about this social media platform, FPV Link, currently it's called FPV Connect, but it's a place for you guys to grow your following, the underdogs. There's no algorithm that's going to crush you. For example, you make custom arms for a specific frame, go post it on the marketplace. You do a 3D printing service, go post it. You do a repair service, post it. A tuning service, post it. Whatever it is, post it. And this is the whole idea of this platform. Not only that, use it as a tool to grow your following wherever you want to take it. There's no restrictions. I'm not going to ban you. This is for us. If you want your Instagram to grow, then let your Instagram to grow. I am all by supporting you guys and enabling you guys to hopefully get your own sponsors as you grow. I know if it's your dream, if it's something you love, do it and use it as a tool for that. But also just give it some love as well. Share it. I mean, just a little bit of love. I don't mind what you do with it. Again, use it as a tool, and if you can show it some love, that'd be super great. So yeah, that's just a couple things about this. There's groups, there's events, there's so many things we can do, and I'm open to any suggestions, and I'm also open to any help as well. Now, regarding this platform, there is an Android application and iOS. They've both been submitted, and they will be out after review, probably we'll say 5 days, because they need login detail. They log in, check it, and then they give you the approval. If you didn't have to log in order to use an application, then it's quicker. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little bit on that. But they are done and complete, and I have tested them. So that's really nice. And again, the FPV freestyle competition, just post 2 videos. That's all you got to do. You don't have to do anything else. And also, if you could share the platform, that would be super great. Now, let's move on to AskFPV's updates. So first of all, you were like, what is AskFPV? Well, it's another application I've created, very simple application, which is if you have any issues, you just log in, you post your question, and people immediately answer you. It's insane. I'm so happy to see how many people are answering each other. And if you just have, if you want to ask something or a recommendation, people will recommend it. You don't have to go to YouTube. You could actually ask real users on there, which is really nice. So far, we've hit around 650 users or plus. This is the recorded through the Play Store, but I've had around, I forgot how many, like 300 before the Play Store, and or a little bit more than that actually, I think. And it's just growing. Remember, this is Android, and the iOS has been released, but it's under review. Hopefully within 24 hours, it should have been done by now, but hopefully within 24 hours, it should be completely ready to go. So iOS and Android will be connected on the same database, so you guys could see each other's answers, talk with each other, and you can do all kinds of stuff. There's no ads. You just log in. It's a very simple application, and the people that help the most do actually win prizes at the end of the month by me, or sponsored by me, or I don't know how to say it, but I give those away to whoever I find that help the most people. I can see that through the database, and later on I'll incorporate the reward system where people could see their stats there. Come join the FPV Freestyle competition. There are more to come. And also, if you offer any kind of customizing service, or you have your own frames and you don't make big batches, you can do that. Also have a funding service, or I have a funding system in here, but I've disabled it. But later on, I'm going to implement it once we hit around 1,000 users currently. Right now, we're just on 200. I haven't really broadcasted this. 190 users so far. And your chances of winning are really high. There is not many posts. You have a maximum of 2 videos. Like the last post was, I think, around 2 hours ago, because it was just a small post that I put on YouTube. So yeah, come join, win, and share your videos. Maybe you'll grow your following, make friends, and meet other people in your area. So that's the whole idea of this place. And please share it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.